Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Ngino sinawo walikhosi. Uyibona jwang game?
Igame imnandi Hotman.
Yeah.
Ithi imnandi kakhulu.
Yes.
Nendivungala ngayo ngithethe ngayo apha. Le draw lapha siyenzele iPirates.
Yes.
Amazulu lapha emveni kwethu. Siyayifuna le CAF nathi sifuna udlala kwi-CAF.
Yeah.
So le 1 point ibalekile kuthi.
Kakhulu.
Ndiyabona abana abantu abavuka kakhulu namhlanje apha i-Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Kodwa bengingadlali yona.
Yes.
Njengoba sidlale i-draw apha ngabe ithatha ukuthi loo nto bazoyibetha iDurban City.
Yeah.
Bazoyibetha iMagesi.
Basho
bakhumbule ukuthi ezi team zimbini zimele relegation.
Yebo.
And badlale away game.
Yeah.
Xa sonke iPirates kule season iyasifakilisha kule mabala amancane.
Yeah.
Madlale namathimu amancane iyasifakilisha.
Yeah.
Eminye mfuno zakuyo uGo Bruce ubukela.
Ubekhona
Umbonile Peterson.
Yebo.
Umbonile Peterson.
Yebo.
Okay, so
Akayona man of the match Peterson.
Man of the match Peterson.
Wow, yeah.
Man of the match. Even against Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Big games.
Yes.
Ufuna team. Siyamfuna World Cup Peterson.
Yes.
Enkosi mkhulwana.
Enkosi, this is We Talk Football SA. Imali bayi.
Shout out to We Talk Football SA. Subscribe my friend to my channel so that they can grow.
Yeah.